Hungkaham, I'll speak in
Yes,
language.
yes, yes.
Hungkaham jatono no. Tini hene hai na lai dumani kaisa kotor goselai mong sini bubagrani na harmong tongmani already Bengaluru sini Maharaja bo press meet khaye norok samani khana kana sini Tiprasa skill gana nurses GNM NM rogno Japan ni mani kok phrangai Japanese language phrangai Japano samung tangrani bagai rohornani kaham manmarini bagai kaham ajimungni bagai rohornani kok samani tini chung supunglaini phaching senior tongo Mr. Ajay Kumar Shahani managing manager sourcing and administration Navy's Human Resource and Private Limited borobini sini MOU ongo sini yang deputy CEO tongo sini PU principal official health ni tai sini tai khoroksa PU tabo deputy PU health tai sini oro social activist takuk James tai takuk John borok khanaini tongo borok chana belai chubakha samuni bagai tai Bangalore tongai sini takuk Dinesh bobo chana belai chubakha borok no hambai eke sini o nahar mungkhen ro jatonu saima no chung Japano hospitality ni bagai sini oro jara GNM NM pass out angjak rokno
BSc nursing.
BSc nursing oborokno sengtamo ringnai through Navy's ni phasingtei sini oro phan apply khaimano borok Navy's phano apply khaimano chung u bisiwo maximum hospitality wo 3 jon ahibo chini sare rokno chung Japan rohonani target na borokno chung ADC Haphang ni phasingti khaye khoroksa ni chung ADC 50,000 chung sponsor khaine borokno jara registration na musnai jara sirna musnai Japanese language te baire wo Japan Germany Korea ro thangai service ni musnai rokno borok candidate rang 10,000 khai baro registration ma khaine te kaise additional 50,000 borok puila samani jono 1,40,000 candidate dina nangnai hai ni chunga bono tini kok salai abono kisarika tabo candidate rok 60,000 rinai chung ADC 50,000 rinai okay total borok ni 3.5 মানে 3.5 লাখ টাকা টোটাল বনি কোর্স এভরিথিং রেজিস্ট্রেশন কোর্স ফিজ রাতে 3.5 লাখ টাকা নাংনাই 3.5 লাখ টাকা নংতাবা রিনা নাংয়া ক্যান্ডিডেট সিমিনো 60 লাখ মারিনাই এডিসি 60,000 এডিসি 50,000 টোটাল বাদ বাকি বনি যে রাংরথাই তংমানি যে নেভিস না যে রাংরথাই তংমানি 2,40,000 বরক সাকা nono chung Japano Germany o Korea o sakri rimani pore truk nini betoni ni nangtanai riman nai ake obo nongkha sini tini ni o agreement do jara thangna muchonai kabang man chinoro nurse ni sakri sani phainai tongbayo GNM NM tai ni o BSc nursing rok jara khaijak rok kabang opportunity tabo Hatara hasteo thangai at least thaisino chini ta khuk saka 1.1 ni beton ni chimi 3.5 lakh beton ni khorsa ni per month aba hai abon bagai ke borok already o target now ni o borok ni norok jara registration khaine borok ni nang je ban pake outstanding payment tongmani abo rinani bo borok ake khairika Gechini nahar mung ke takute buku jeng nadi government job to limited kabang ma chini Tiprasa rok tabu kabang ma jagon Kolkata Bangalore Chennai abharogo nursing complete khai nogo kabang ma asukjak botongo serengi tongnai botongo phataro samutang tongnai ro botongo kenor ni bagani jeng mane bubagra katal kaisa nangmani history kaisa opportunity norone rekha jara muchuknai daki dakin phai chingbai karangbi borok daki dakin interview nanai best jara muchuknai best karangku rokno jeng phataro rohornani bagai chatioknai abani loge loge jeng phainai salo care worker bonanai driver tai hinge construction worker o building namnani amhai samung obahirokno bo chung samung skill khai phataro samung tangnani bage rohornani bo chung chatioknai obong khachini naharmung chini ADC Haphang chini Tiprasa rokno rang ri tongmung chamung borokni manthai khati thaina khobui samung tanglai tongmani chung choya hamkrani samung tang tongmani chung choya bobagrani naikol mungbai chung hor sal thuya ke no wan solai samung tanglai tong takute bo kuchong obonong khachini thamchani mari chini bobagrani naikol mungbai chini ADC Haphang chung tabukhu ratei lama kahamte himai Tiprasa rokno bahike sang biang phasing thangke boro thangke chung rang kaham khaimano kaham tongmong tubui mano lukorok ajimano abo naharmong bai chung samung tanglai tong ketabok norok singi mane chini Ajay Kumar Sahani ji bo angka nevis ani manager sursinte administration no ban thani nevis ni naharmong tabu khaitong busuk bisiromi khaitong bopron kimi tlangjak nai omutirok bon thani norok singi man hambai jara thangnamo chonai Japano through Nevis ni bisingti interview ruoi test ruoi borok thangnamo chonai borok ni bagai chung dakti no potrika rom bisingti chini website ni bisingti chung advertisement nai ke borok no tabo tasing chini odai saga tasingo actually Japan ni kisugli culture borok ni ongko tongo bosker borok ni byabohar borok ni tongmung chamung tongo actually a jaga ro borok bokrok tola khai khulumung bokok samung nomro bodro omahiro kabang metar tung Japan samung tangna nei ke kok sangke sana ne abar ara chiriglai kok saya amti hero joton bharung jangna aran borno phai phang phane Japan ni borok no so aba hike jara sangi man nai borok no borok select khana even tlangna ni segang je tlangna ni promen bumau pha soi ka hanga kai bumau pha itabli ni jare thanan bagi fit ni bumau garden bumau pha sudo soi soka e aprosi borok tlangnai ke puilan chimini jara thangnamo changani ba phataro sudo Japania Germany angthon ni Korea angthon baro ar language sudo Japani ar language be phronai baro thangnai eke puilan chimini prepare angai phainani ba ke abhaite dakti start khajani chung advertisement khai ke no through borne khai chung interview ba screening process khai dakti roharan bagi satiok nai hambai
thank you respective dignitaries of Ttaadc and my name is Ajay and I'm general manager for Northeastern region and today it's a privilege for Nevis HR because on behalf of Nevis HR I'm representative entire Northeastern region and today we have signed an agreement and MOU with Ttaadc regarding the student opportunity going abroad in Japan, Germany as well as Korea. The respective job description and the job profile is already mentioned and mentioned by our sir. So we will be highly pleased to have students from Agartala and Tripura as well. We have sent many candidates from Northeastern region, all states. Barring Tripura was left out, but it's really humble, thankful and hearty congratulations to respective Maharaja as well. Because of him, because I met him during the airport also, he said that everything is done. You just have to go there and then the formalities will be done. Thank you for the kind and generous arrangement. And we are really dealing great opportunity for the career of student, for the student of Ttaadc areas, and we look forward for a mutual consent and mutual agreement between all of us. And this opportunity will provide our student, those who want to dream and aspiration going abroad, and this is a platform where we can send students to different countries, from where we will definitely have a collaboration between more, and we are going to send more and more number of students henceforth. So it's a great achievement for Navis HR, because having a tied up with Ttaadc is really an opportunity for us and privilege to us, and we make sure and ensure that whatever number of students respectively will be selected, we have a selection process. So nearly about, we are going to, as many as we can, we are targeting 100,000 number of students to be screened, and then we will be selecting out of which the best 30 number of students, and based on that they are going to be privileged and taking the training there in Bangalore, and then henceforth they are going abroad in Japan and respective countries altogether. As the job profile is already mentioned, so we will be placing them as and when a requirement is there. So it's a initial start, and definitely there are milestones to go ahead, but thanks to Maharaja and the government of Ttaadc. So thank you so much once again, and I really would like to thank you, the press representative as well. Thank you so much once again for covering this press meet, and hopefully the collaboration and MUO will benefits both of us, and then we take it ahead, and definitely we are really humble and thankful to Ttaadc. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much.
저는 target 좀 이전에는 러하는 시작 쪽네.
Every year.
प्रत्येक विश्वता.
प्रत्येक वर्ष होता है.
Because we have as mentioned, there are a screening process. So first they will have to go through an aptitude test. All the students has to appear for the aptitude test. Once they clear the aptitude test, they have to go to for a process called demo process. The native Japanese will be having an conversation with the students. They will show a demo. The student has to understand they have to understand about the script, they have to understand the demo. That's a demo. So once they can able to cop up and can able to respond to the demo, we will select for the third round, which is very crucial, based on the consent of the parents. Once the parents agrees that yes, I am ready to send them to Japan, so we will select those candidates, and based on that, this the timing and everything will be mentioned there and thereafter. So we have such process, and we will start as soon as possible. We are going to now, we already have done all the formalities, so we are going to mobilize as soon as possible.
Okay.